Hello and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Aika. I post a lot of fashion related videos, shopping vlogs, reviews, unboxings, styling tips, all of that good stuff. If you're interested, then make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, turn on the bell, and you can also follow me on Instagram. It's at Bonjour Aika. I post there quite frequently too, especially on stories. For today's video, I have a Chanel bag unboxing. Quick disclaimer. I'm unboxing this bag, however, I'm not keeping it. A few weeks ago, I posted on my stories that I purchased something from Chanel. And you know, I couldn't leave this baby in the store. I wish I could. I mean, I can technically if I want to, but I've been treating myself enough. I feel like I have everything. My bag collection is pretty much complete. I am very happy with every single item that I have in my collection. So I don't need to add anything extra. I don't want to waste my money on, I mean, this is not a waste. Once you see it, you will understand, but you know, in a way, wasting my money on bags that I don't even need. Of course I want it. Of course I want every single Chanel bag in my collection, but when I saw it in the store, in my head we had two options. Either I will keep it, or we had other plans for the bag. And I said it in my stories, and a lot of you said, oh, just keep it, just keep it. I was seriously considering keeping the bag, but I found something else that I still haven't shown here. I found something else that just, you know, immediately stole my heart the moment I saw it. So at the end of the day, I'm not keeping the bag, and I will show you the other item that I bought instead that completely stole my heart very soon on my channel. I am pre-filming all the July content now, so I have to post it very soon. You will find out what it is. For this item, as I said, we have other plans, and I'm not gonna return it or anything. I'm not selling it. I'm not reselling it. We just have other plans, and I'll keep it at that. Here it is. I asked you guys on my Instagram as well, if I end up not keeping the bag, would you still be interested in seeing what it is? And all of you said yes. So I had to put this disclaimer now so I don't get any judgment like, why are you unboxing this item if it's not even for you, blah 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 blah. I hate that stuff, and I am always honest here on my channel. If the item is not for me, I will say it loudly and proudly that it's not my item, but I'm here to deliver some content for you guys, to show you what I bought since I bought it. I think I have the right to open it and show it to you guys. I see nothing wrong with that, and I think people love watching unboxing videos and hearing reviews about different items. So here we are. So please, no judgment in the comments below, because you asked for it. I'm simply delivering. Let's take this off, and here is the cute little box over here. Well, also I have to say, it is technically not a bag. It's not called a bag, but you will see. Okay, so here it is. It is so freaking pretty. I'm still not sure if I'll need the box, but I will try to open it as carefully as I can. Of course I want to keep it. I wish I could keep it, but I cannot buy everything I like because it's just too much, you know. So here's the box. Oh, you see, it doesn't even come in a bag box. It's a different box because this item is considered to be an SLG, not a proper bag. And here is the dust bag. We've got nothing else inside. Absolutely nothing else. No papers, no care booklets. Once again, because it is not a proper bag. But it is still so freaking cute. Ta-da! So the little item that I got is this Chanel Vanity with top handle, and it is the cutest bag ever. I bought my mom one, I think a year ago, but the one she has is in caviar leather. It doesn't have a top handle. I believe it was one of the first vanity bags that Chanel made. What she does have is a beautiful chain. I'm not sure if I unboxed it on my channel. However, I think I did. If I did, I will link the video here, and in the description box you can watch to see sort of the comparison between the two. I don't have her bag obviously because it's at my mom's, but this time I saw this. It was just, you know, sitting on a shelf minding her business, and when I saw it I was so surprised that nobody got her, nobody bought her still. I don't know why. Are they over? Is the trend over? I don't know, but you know, since I never had one, I was looking for one as well because it's so freaking cute. I was even asking in Paris if they had one. They didn't, like absolutely none. They had in other colors which we weren't interested in. The black color, the super classic one, was sold out. And this is a new one from the new collection, but I'm not really sure which one. Let me get the receipt. It doesn't say the collection. I have the reference number, which I will put here if you're interested. If you're looking for one, maybe you can ask your essay at the local store. But it's called Osac Vanity Ashen, so with a chain. And the price was 3,020 Swiss francs. In euros, I checked the website, the price was 2,900 euros, so a little bit more expensive than a regular one. I think before, the ones we saw, the regular ones, were around 2,550, but this one is slightly different, and I will tell you why in a minute. So I'm not sure what the collection name is, but it's from a new current collection. So the bag still has all the stickers, as you can see. It has this beautiful chain. The chain feels really nice. I can't say it's super heavy, but at the same time you can feel some weight to it, which is amazing. It's in lambskin leather, but it has this shiny leather, which is so beautiful. Can you see the shine? I mean, it's amazing. The top handle is different. That's the difference. The handle has metal over here on the inside. I'm not sure if you can see, but I will try to film the up-close shots of this bag and you will see. It's in champagne gold hardware, which in my opinion is the most perfect hardware. But the bag is looking extra special with this little metal detail on the inside of the top handle. Can you see? So special. I haven't seen anything like this. And another very special part about this bag is the bottom. Can you see the CCs? The stitching, like my mom's Vanity doesn't have that, but I think they added this little touch to the newer style of Vanity bags, which is so beautiful. Then when we open the Vanity, this is what it looks like inside. So it has this giant mirror. It is so big. It's huge, but it's so cool. It's so cool to have a mirror of this side inside your bag. And then this is what it looks like inside. It has a few card slots, so 3 card slots over here, which is very convenient. You don't even have to carry your wallet. It says Chanel made in Italy. What I've noticed is that most of Chanel bags say made in France now, and all of the SLGs, like pretty much all of the SLGs that I see, they're all made in Italy. Just a fact I wanted to include. It doesn't have a chip because it's not a bag, but it does have a sticker over here. Also, what's interesting, it does have a sticker, but there are no numbers. There are letters, and there is no authenticity card. I'm not sure if it should come with an authenticity card, but it just have some letters and the Chanel logo, and that's it. And another cute thing that the bag has is this lipstick holder over here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's so cute. It's so cute that it has this lipstick holder. So it's a true vanity bag. I love this piece so much. It is so cute. I tried it on. It's such a cute little bag. Such a cute little evening bag, day bag, and since it has this metal part as well as the bottom stitching, it's just extra special, and I feel like now it looks even more elegant and dressy. So the person that will get this bag is just so lucky. I'm so happy for them. And here is the Chanel logo in the front. It has the sticker, so that's why it looks a bit blurry, but I don't want to remove the stickers, right? I want to keep it for the person to remove themselves. And there is also a sticker on the metal part over here too, which is good, you know. When you buy a new bag, I feel like stickers just prove how new it is that not enough people saw it and touched it, because I hate when essays remove stickers by themselves in stores just to show their clients how shiny the hardware is, because it scratches very easily. And when you buy an expensive piece like this, you definitely want it to be as perfect as it can be. From my past experience, one time I bought a Louis Vuitton belt, and it was the last one. They had it on the display, it was the last size, but they said, no, but it's new, blah, blah, blah. We just hand it there. Once I came home, I saw all of the scratches on the hardware, and I was just so heartbroken, because even the belt, it's not a cheap belt. It was around 600, and it's still a lot of money for a belt, you know, and I wanted the item to be as new as it can, but it was already scratched and it didn't feel new, and I was so upset. But anyway, it's a whole different story. That's why I love having stickers on the new bags when I buy them, right? So yeah, this is the bag. What do you guys think? I mean, it's so beautiful. I have no regrets for not keeping the bag, because I've got something else instead. Maybe in the future I will still get it. And I think the price is, it is obviously expensive for an SLG, but I mean, mini bags are around 4,500, around 5,000 Swiss francs now, which is crazy. The prices are so ridiculous, whereas this one you can use as a bag. It looks complete with the top handle and everything. It's so beautiful, and it's 3,000. Like now for Chanel, 3,000 in my opinion is a very good price for a bag. And I'm not sure where my phone is. Oh, my phone is right here. I wanted to show you how spacious the bag is. So it fits the phone, and I have iPhone Pro Max, 13 Pro Max, so the largest one, and it fits. And we still have a lot of space inside to fit anything you might need. Anyway, this is it for my today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!